wife up here. Hello, turkeys. Hi, I'm Austin, and I'm going to tell you about the single best car I have ever owned. All right, so let's go ahead and show you guys around this 2002 Kia Spectra. This was given to us by Auto Auction Rebuilds to do some, what did he call it? It was mechanicking, with some quotations around that. You know, this car could be better. We're missing stuff. We got stuff that doesn't really work at all, but I mean it does. Let's go ahead around to the front here. She's got some more dents and dings than you could probably want. Two-tone bumper, came factory like that. A nice offset fender from the headlight, perfect. Some nice steelies with your locking lugs that you need, because you really do need the locking lugs on your steelies. Really important. We got more and more dents going down the side. May have hit a couple things, but it's all right. It's a Kia, right? And going in here under the hood, yeah, we have an engine. She's leaking oil. It's not the end of the world, right? Battery's super old. It's super dusty. There's a really, there we go. Hold that open. That's service hood, just like that. That's how you service stuff, I think. But really dusty, really gross under here. Smokes a lot when hot. As you can tell, there's some aftermarket stuff going on here. We got the low profile antenna. It is subdued, so that's really cool. Looped and aerodynamic, so it's the loop is for the dual signal. Yep, that works. And then it's low profile for the aerodynamics. You have yourself a nice rear end. If that's what you want to call it, go ahead. It's not that great of a car, to be honest with you. We got your free rust that comes with all of these cars, so a little bit there, a little bit on the wheels, a little bit underneath, but it's not too bad. It's all weight reduction. I think that's right, weight reduction. So I mean, not too bad of a car. You can do almost anything you want to it. Modify it, drive it, sell it. I wouldn't sell this thing. That thing sucks. Interior, not too bad. Driver's seat, honestly, is one of the best. That sucks. We got broken plastic all around the back. Back seats aren't that bad. And a free chipped windshield. And to top it all off, it's a sport. All right, so you may be wondering, what are we gonna be doing with this 2002 5-speed Kia Spectra? And the real answer is nothing. Well, a whole bunch of stuff, but nothing at the same time. We're not fixing this car. This car is not worth the money. It is a turd. It should be in the scrapyard. But I think we're gonna have a little bit of fun with it first, just because, why not? But I got a couple ideas I wanna do to this car. It'll be fun. I do plan on testing a couple things. You only get one try as the blank as engine oil, so we're gonna do something like that. Practice our off-road drifting out here in the grass, since it is a front-wheel drive. You know, drive it, rally it through the woods or something like that. We got plenty of woods back here. But all around, just have a little bit of fun with it and test a couple things out. Now, if you guys have any ideas that you would like us to try, I am more than happy to go ahead and read the comments, take a look at what you guys are saying, and possibly roll it into stuff that we're gonna do to this car. And as you can tell, this car was not that expensive. It was really cheap from Copart Auto Auction. We got it with the help of Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds. So huge shout out to Randy. Thank you very much. Link will be down in the description below. But yeah, she ain't straight, she ain't pretty. She has mechanical issues with a wheel bearing, a whole bunch of leaking gaskets in the engine and under the hood, just in general. So we're just gonna have fun with it. I mean, that's the point of this car. I mean, I'm gonna call it the ThrashCan, right? That's a good name for it. Yes? No? Leave a like for ThrashCan. I know I've had some of you guys tell me to go ahead and fix it up and then flip it, but there's really no way to make money on this car, unfortunately, unless it's through YouTube revenue. So that's the plan. We're gonna hopefully make a couple good videos, and then we'll go from there. And I'm gonna listen to you guys down in the comment section down below for things that we should do to this Kia Spectra. And you might see it in a video. Like I said, this is gonna be a thrash car. We got our manual down here. We got our half working, not working e-brake, so you can only do as much as you can. But floppy seat belt, it's all great. But it's a good daily driver, you know. I'm just gonna drive it through the woods and stuff, and you know, get what I need to do done, like plowing the fields and stuff like that. But I think it'll be a lot of fun. Say hello to the wildlife up here. Hello, turkeys. Yeah, this e-brake sucks. That was fun. And we still haven't blown it up yet. So with all of that said, don't forget to leave your ideas down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.